Football now. Reggae Boys head coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore is back at the helm at the of the Jamaica senior football team, as he and the JFF came to an agreement on Friday and have settled their contractual dispute at a meeting at the Sports Minister's office. Keon Rayner reports.
The long drawn-out saga over coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore's contract is over after Whitmore, JFF President Michael Ricketts and the Minister of Sports Olivia Grange met to discuss the way forward on Friday. At the end, Coach Whitmore says he's pleased with what took place and is ready to move forward.
Recently I've tendered my resignation, and I must tell the public that I'm here to withdraw it based on what transpired from today's meeting, and looking forward to get back to do what I love, and that is coaching, and to make sure that the nation football is priority, and we move forward with myself and the federation and the ministry to make it a success.
With all now settled, Ricketts believes it's time to move on.
Virtually, amicably, would have settled whatever issues there are. I think we're ready to move on in the interest of football and certainly in the interest of developing the sport nationally. It was important that we met this afternoon.
As for the mediator, Minister Grange, today's closure should see a better relationship between the coach and the JFF going forward.
We discussed the contract, and all parties have come to an agreement. I do not wish to provide details, and I think those details should remain confidential, because I think someone's salary is a matter that is very personal, and I think that was part of the issue where all of this was in the public domain. And so I just want to say that today I think we have made great strides in seeing the improvement of a relationship that seemed to have been broken between the coach and the federation.
According to Grange, the meeting was the first in a series to come.
We will be convening another meeting that will look at the bigger picture. And looking at the bigger picture will ensure that our partnership will be strengthened. And not only government and the JFF, but also government, the JFF, and the private sector. So I'm looking forward to having discussions with the private sector to see how they can come on board to help the program to improve and to provide the funding.
No figure was disclosed for the new contract, but earlier this week, Ricketts told TVJ Sports that there would be a 50% increase, which should take Whitmore's salary from $500,000 Jamaican dollars to $750,000 per month. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Rayner.